Alright, hey guys, so in this video we're going to be installing the clearance lights. We're going to be changing them from halogen to LED. So let's first open up the door. Then let's throw a board down. Something to sit on. And then let's take a look at the light. So there it is. As you can see here, there's a little arrow. So let me get my tool out of here and then we can swap it out. Alright, so I had to go and get my little tool kit. Took something more than the little plastic guy to take it out, but there it is. Now I gotta take this connector off. Alright, so next thing what I did was I unplugged it because this gets really hot. And then what it is this guy sits right on top of here. So these little clips right here sits inside right there. So what happens is I just pry it up in the middle and it pops out. Now I can take the bulb out and switch it out. Alright, so there is our LED bulb sitting in there. Always double check, make sure you installed it correctly before you put everything back together, because it just makes it twice as long to reinstall it. So there you go. Alright, let's get it installed back in. And there it is, fully installed, ready to go. Now it matches the rest of the LED interior. So let's do the back. And just joking, there's no lights in the back. Let's go to the passenger side. Alright, there's the passenger side. No surprises there. Let's take this guy, put it back in. Done. Cool. Let's go take a look at the cargo area. Alright, so here we are on the trunk side. As you can see underneath, I've already done it. But you reach in through here, take it out. Same thing. Unclip it. This is just a cover that's on here. Let me take this cover off. Alright, so there over the part here. What you do is pull back on this clear tab. That'll pop this guy off, and then there's the LED bulb that I already installed. So let me use two hands and put this all back together. And then there it is, pretty installed, and it is actually a lot brighter at night. So nice clear white light, and then it's brighter. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just put it in the description below and I'll try to answer it the best I can. Have a good day.